guys, we're at my grandma's house. Do you remember Max and Rocky and Becky? But you've never met Little Chewy, Big Chewy, Bella, Chica. Where's Lola at?
He's over there being Batman.
Batman. So we got a total of 8. 8 counted. 8 counted. Oh, look at this Chica.
So happy.
Max. Chewy. Chewy. And Lola's being all by herself. Come on, dogs. Run over here. Look at this Lola. Follow me. Or go in front of me. What the hell? Please come over here. She leaves. Alright. Alright, who would have 8 dogs all at once? Now let me tell you who.
A young Mexican.
A young Mexican. There we go. This is the life of a young Mexican. Stay tuned for more videos about my dogs and about all our lives. About this guy's life by himself.
Also, there's a little new addition to our pets. Go show them.
Oh, well, I guess we're going behind the scenes. Leave the dogs out here. We're going behind the scenes. Move, move, dog, move. Move, dog, move.
Excuse me, little bug.
Hey, remember, pugs, not jugs. This is Sapphire. Look, it's hissing at her. I just met her today.
Stop it!
And she's being dumb trying to pick it up. Here, come on. Stop, Nina. You're scaring him. That's Nina, the most annoying Mexican in the world. That's Mondo. And this is Sapphire, the baby. The baby. So, the video is going to be called 8 Dogs, 1 Cat. And I guess you just have to figure out what it is. It's a girl.
We guess.
Yeah.
No, I don't guess. I know.
It's a girl.
And that's it.
But I still have like 3 dogs at my house though.
Oh, yeah. We need to bring them over and
Yeah.
then we're done.
Yes.
So, we gone.
Cue an unusual punishment.
Lay
Go.
down. Chica! Chica! Oh, she's right there. Come on. Mondo is a very sensitive young man. And Chewy's a very lovable young man.
Yeah. 10 children.
There's 8.
Ah, God.
I bet he's just chilling over there.
I've seen that.
God.
That's way funnier before, Sarah.
I
Come here.
What?
Look,
Look at little Chewy's ears.
little Chewy is
They're
better
trying to
ears
prick up like a chihuahua, but they're too floppy.
because he's a weenie dog.
Yes.
They are the Chewini of the lifetime.
Label that video cute and unusual punishment.
All right, this is bonus footage on top of the bonus footage of the bonus footage. Good night.
Raging Bone.